is if I want to dig into a certain item category, I can simply click here. And Incorta has drill throughs. We could have multi-path drill throughs. In this case, I just have the one, but we could empower the business to have multiple paths that they could choose from within Incorta. In this case, we can drill out to the inventory details on that specific classification in the product hierarchy. And this is going to give us kind of that next level of detail where we can see the sub-inventory group. We can see the item description under that category in the hierarchy. So we can see our ordered quantity, our backlog quantity being very important. We want to know, what quantity of inventory across these SKUs we're short on for the time being. I could even, change the sort order here. It could be the default as well. But if I just want to change the sort order on the fly, I can just click that icon and it'll show me. So I can see, this particular SKU right here, the SCHEOS 5, this has a massive backlog with respect to the ordered quantity. Now, we could even dive in a little bit deeper here. If I want to drill into my WIP jobs to see what's in the pipeline, what's in the supply chain right now, what's our WIP with respect to this item category, or even the lower level of granularity, the SKU level of detail, we can see that. We can see our trending and scheduled completion dates. We can see the top items, top categories, completion summary. And ultimately, I can see, on a job basis, what's going on, right? So I can see the organization, what facilities manufacturing, what's the WIP entity name, what's the entity type name, and then we can see the description, the item, and we can see, effectively when it's going to be scheduled for completion and the quantities, etc. So we can navigate all the way from the top level all the way down to, what's in process. We have a shortage of our on-hand inventory. Where are those items in the manufacturing process, right, in the supply chain?